Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Just thought it's time for another quick little update video telling you about some of the stuff that I've been doing, working on and whatnot, and yeah, just general chit chat. So the first thing I want to talk about is my new artwork on my channel. I actually created some nice banners and whatnot and created more of a theme to the channel. What do you think to it? I added them on my YouTube, the main channel page, and I've also added them onto my Facebook page as well. So go and check them out and tell me what you think. I also brought a new camera lens, so you can see, I hope you can see anyway, that my videos are taking on a slightly different look, hopefully a more sharper look. And what I've got is it's a Canon EF-S 24mm, I'm actually reading it on the front of the lens right now. And it's a 24mm prime lens, and it's got an STM motor for faster autofocus. So what do you think to that? Do you notice a difference in the quality if you compare this video here to the previous update video, which I will link up here? Go and check it out and tell me if you notice a difference in the video. Now, I've also noticed that a lot of the videos that I do that are working on the CNC over there, they actually get quite a lot of views and quite a lot of likes and a lot more interaction than some of the other videos, which is why I've been working recently on a beginner series to help someone or help people get into CNC. So if you've not got anything, it's great because it's going to provide you with all the information you need to get started. And even if you have got something but you're unsure on some of the stuff, there's going to be some interesting little bits and things in there that are going to help you on your journey through learning CNC. Currently I'm just under 400 subscribers. I think I need another 20 people and then I'm at 400, which is obviously another big milestone for me. It's only 400, it might be small for some people, but for me it's quite a big number. It means there's 400 people that have actually clicked subscribe. It means 400 people have actually liked my videos enough to think to themselves, yeah, I want to watch another one, which is a great feeling for me. So thanks for everyone who's subscribed. So yeah, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Go and check out some more of my videos and tell me what you think. And I just want to leave the video with a question, and I would like to do some more projects with my CNC behind me. But what would you like to see me make? What would you like to see me create? I could do it it could be a project that's already been made and you just want me to make one. It could be some idea that you have that you think, oh, that'd be really cool if someone made that on a CNC. What do you think I should make? Post it in the comments down below or write me an email or something like that, and I'll see if I can do it. So thanks for watching. Post a comment down below and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.